Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sort cells by absolute values with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, its advanced sort feature can help you sort cells with absolute values more directly and simply. Please do as follows. Select the cells you want to sort by their absolute values. Click the Kutools Plus tab. Click the Filter and Statistic drop-down list. Click Sort drop-down list and select Advanced Sort. In the Advanced Sort dialog box, select the column you want to sort, and if the column has header, check My Data has Header option and select the absolute value from the Sort On drop-down list and choose ascending or descending order from the Order section. Click the OK button. Again, click the OK button. As you can see, the cells are sorted by the absolute values. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.